Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the PS5 ready. Enable Remote Play in Settings and sign into your PlayStation Network account on the console and the client device. Use a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. This matters because Remote Play sends video in real time. Once done, open the Remote Play app and add your console. The app searches automatically, but you can register via code if needed. This gets the core link established before we optimize performance. You now optimize the connection. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation to the PS5 so it stays reachable, and enable UPnP on the router to simplify traversal. If you can, forward UDP 9295 through 9303 to the PS5. This helps in networks with strict NAT. On the client side, lower stream resolution to 720p or 30 frames per second when bandwidth or CPU is. You finish by ensuring power and permissions. Allow Remote Play in rest mode if you want waking remotely, or keep the PS5 on for instant access. Test from another network or a phone hotspot. This tells you whether the home router or ISP is the blockage. If things still fail, reboot the PS5, router, and client device in that order, then re-register the console ID in the app. If latency persists, reduce stream bitrate further. This trade-off improves responsiveness while keeping playability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.